Forget the endless ChatGPT model debates. The game has changed. Now one model does it all. Here's why that's a big deal. So what's new in ChatGPT-5? First up, speed. It's up to 50% faster than before, so your quick questions get near instant answers. But honestly, speed wasn't the real problem. The actual upgrade is that all those confusing model choices are gone. You don't need to decide between Mini or Pro. ChatGPT-5 automatically picks the best approach for your question. Ask it for a simple fact. It goes lightweight and lightning fast. Ask for something complex, like coding a full Tetris game. It thinks harder and delivers more advanced results, sometimes even better than the old paid models. It's not perfect though. AI hallucinations, those weird made-up answers, still happen, but less often. Image generation is still a bit hit or miss, but writing flair, that's improved too. Expect answers that sound more human and less like a robot on autopilot. Bottom line, ChatGPT-5 is smarter, simpler, and available even for free users, though you might hit a daily cap. Is it flawless? No. Is it the most seamless AI experience yet? Absolutely. Ready or not, this is the new normal for AI chat. I have also used ChatGPT-5 to create something amazing, my AI Hustler kit, and I built it very fast. Honestly, what used to take me weeks or even months to put together, I completed in just a few days with the help of this powerful AI. When I first started, I knew I wanted to create a complete toolkit for digital entrepreneurs, something that would help them create high-converting content and launch products quickly. But the challenge was, where do you start? How do you organize everything? That's when ChatGPT-5 came in. Using GPT-5, I was able to generate ideas, write captions, design templates, and even build a content planner, all with just a few prompts. It's like having a creative partner who works 24/7. So, here's what's inside the AI Hustler kit. Editable Canva templates for social media posts, lead magnets, and carousels, ready for you to customize in minutes without needing design skills. There are 30 pre-written captions that you can use right away for your digital products, plus 10 customizable lead magnet headlines that grab attention and boost your opt-ins. I also included a detailed digital product launch checklist to keep you on track and avoid missing any crucial steps, plus an AI prompt library. This is your secret weapon to create content and marketing copy faster than ever. To help you stay organized, there's an AI content planner in Google Sheets and an AI Resource Toolkit packed with tools and tips I personally use. And as a bonus, I'm giving 4 extra editable templates and freebies to help you start even faster. For example, one of the Canva templates is designed specifically for Instagram carousels. Just swap in your images and text and you have a professional post ready to go. I even use these templates myself for my own digital launches. All of this combined is worth $175. But for this special launch, I'm offering it for just $129, and I'm looking for 20 founding buyers. These founding buyers will get lifetime access, plus an exclusive private bonus template pack. And best of all, you get a direct feedback line with me, so I can personally help you get the most out of the kit and your AI tools. If you want to be one of the first 20 to grab this deal, comment "interested" below or DM me. Once the 20 spots are gone, the price stays at $120, but the bonuses will be removed. Don't wait weeks or months trying to figure this all out on your own. Get the toolkit, get the resources, and start creating and launching faster with the power of ChatGPT-5 and my AI Hustler kit. I made this kit because I know what it's like to struggle with content creation and launch planning. But with the right tools and the right help, you can fast track your digital business success. And while you're here, make sure to subscribe to the Online Income channel. The link is in the description for more tips, tutorials, and tools to boost your digital business. Grab your AI Hustler kit now at payhip.com/bbjjygo. Only 20 founding spots available. I can't wait to see what you create.